Hello friends, this is in continuation of my earlier video, namely how to write a beautiful PhD thesis using Latex. In this part I am going to show you how to write the preface of a PhD thesis using Latex. So let us start. We know that in a PhD thesis one has to write a preface like this. Now in the preface a number of results from the main body of the thesis is restated without proof. Okay. For example, you see this theorem is restated here. Okay. Many theorems, proposition, corollaries are restated. One such proposition let us consider is say this one, proposition 334. This comes from chapter 3 as the number suggests, section 3 and fourth item, fourth proposition. So if I now look at chapter 3, say this is in page number 98 of the thesis. This is that proposition in chapter 3. It has got the proof also here. This particular proposition is restated without proof in the preface here. Now how it is restated here? So we go back to the thesis, main body of the thesis, and look at the text file. Now in the text file this is the proposition. Okay, and this is written in the preface like this. Here also we go to the editor and here is the proposition. Now as you can see, this one was written within the environment begin proposition, end proposition, and there was a label like this. But here there is no environment as such. Manually the word proposition is written. Only thing is that label here, label P4.1 is written as ref P4.1. The reason is this: if I edit this particular chapter, and after editing, if the proposition number gets changed, then the changed number will be automatically reflected in the preface. This number also will be changed automatically. But then here in the main body of the proposition nothing will be changed. If you change here in the main body of the proposition, edit something here, then manually you have to edit here. Okay, so this is most crude method of restating a result from the main body of the thesis to proposition to preface. Okay, even in the proposition environment this statement becomes italic automatically, but here it is done manually like this. So this is as I said most crude method, and this is one method. In another method we can proceed like this. So let us for example consider a theorem like this. So I have considered this one, and I show you the PDF file for this. It is, I am talking about this one. This is just a hypothetical theorem. So in this theorem we have a table also. There is a table number, there is a equation number, and there is a diagram, a figure with a figure number. I want to restate this theorem in my preface. So one method is like this, I can copy. Another slightly better method, not completely the best method, is like this. We'll copy it in the maybe at the end of the preface. Here I'll copy. So let me write a new page here so that it will be perfectly visible. Yeah, so I'll copy it here. So I go to the editor, and what I'll do here, I'll mark the entire theorem and like this. I'll Control C, copy, and then I'll maybe paste it here like this. Now this won't help because it will have problem. There will be many problem. What is it? That first of all, this leveling is one has to change, otherwise there will be a duplication, and this theorem will give you a different number. This numbering won't be preserved. So if I go to my PDF file once again, this numbering will not be there. So here, yeah. So here I'll make use of something which I have already written in my preamble. So if last time we have shown you this preamble, so this is the preamble. It is already available in the description of my previous video. So here I'll make use of this particular command. So this environment I'll use. So it is theorem star. So for that, so I go to preface once again. Yeah, this is the one. So instead of theorem, I'll put theorem star here. Instead of label, I'll put ref here. I'll put everything inside curly bracket, and after that I don't have to write italics, just put a curly bracket open, and here also theorem star, and here I'll close the curly bracket. Okay, so I'll go to my PDF. I have not yet compiled, so nothing will be visible now. Yeah, this is the, it should come somewhere here. So it's page number 26. Okay, so I'll compile here. So after compilation, yeah, so I'll go to 26 here, and let's see what has come here. Yeah, so here you see this theorem 335. So originally it was here, it is 335. So this is correct. So this is correct. 335 is there, and table number is T3.1. But here theorem number is correct, all right. But table number is different. Other things have come nicely. We also have equation, but equation number is different. Here it is 33C, but here it is 00A, and even the figure has come correctly, all right, but the figure number is different. Okay, so what I have done, I repeat, So I have put it theorem star, this is reference, and then just put curly bracket whatever we have copied and one curly bracket here. So that will do. Now here we cannot do anything about this numbering. Only thing is that normally in preface we don't require these numbers, table numbers, because it is already, correct number is already there in the main body of the thesis, and this table here will be referred, not the one which is in the preface. So in the preface what we can do is that we can simply remove this caption. So comment out this caption, and in the figure also comment out this caption, and the equation, wherever equation is there, we can put equation star, so that there is no numbering. And now you compile again. So we'll compile again. Okay, so I go to page number 26. Yeah, no, 27 actually. Yeah. So here, so this is now much better. It is better to have no number rather than having a wrong number. So here we have a table, there is no numbering. We also have equation, no numbering, and we also have figure, no numbering. So this is another method of writing a restating a theorem in the preface. But again the disadvantage remains is that if by chance you happen to change something inside the theorem, then corresponding change also you have to make here manually. It will not be changed automatically. Only thing will be if you shift this theorem somewhere else, or here if I introduce another theorem, say I write begin theorem, end theorem, then you see if I compile, then this number will get changed. It will become 336 now probably. So 100 page number, where is it? Yeah, this is that empty theorem. 335 is empty theorem, and so here you see it has become 336 now. And in the preface also, if I go to the preface and compile, yeah, so here I write 27 I believe. Yeah, so here also you see it has changed automatically. But main body there is a problem still. So we have to adopt now a method in which main body also will be taken care of, but that will be at the cost of something else. We are going to discuss it now. For this we have to make several changes. First change that we have to make is in the main body of the thesis. So this is the original theorem in chapter 3. Okay, so here we have to write something after begin theorem. We have to write restate, R-E-S-T-A-T-E, restate equal to, we have to give some key. So I'll give the key THM-CHART like this, and comma, this label I have to bring inside. So I'll write LABEL L equal to chart, chart, and we remove this. That's all. So begin theorem, restate, THM, CHART, and level chart. Okay. So this is the change we have to make here. And then we go to the our main file which compiles everything. So you remember in the main file this was input preamble was there, and then all these things are there, and then include preface is there. What we will do, we will make some modification. We will include this preface at the end and do some more modifications. So I have prepared another main file. So this is my another main file. So let us see what is the change. All these things are same, except that the preface from here has gone down, and the new preface is added here right at the end of the thesis, even after front pages of publications. And the new preface I have called as preface -try. Okay, this is the new text file I have opened. So what is there in preface try? Preface try contains this thing: page numbering Roman, begin center large, preface try, center. This one, of course, I may call preface only. Why preface try? Preface only. Name of the file is prefacetry.tex, but this is preface. Now here I have to write this theorem. Now here I don't have to copy the entire theorem. I will use this key THM CHRT. I am actually making now use of theorem tools, a package called THM tools, theorem tools. That package will be used here. That package will allow me to use this key THM CHART and then star. Okay. In the beginning, maybe I can write a few lines. The main result of this chapter 3 is as follows. Okay, just so this is actually what I have written at THM CHRT. And now let me compile my new main file. This one I will compile. This new main file I will compile. Okay. So if I compile this one, so let me go to preface try once again. Yeah, so this I have in. So go to recompile. Okay, compile this one. Let us see what it does. Now you see declaration, acknowledgement, and preface is gone from, it was between acknowledgement and content, but we have written preface right at the end, so it has gone out of this, but it is here right at the end, and this is my preface. Okay, so here you see at least everything has come correctly. So this was the theorem which I have restated. So here is the table. So let me show the PDF file. Yeah, so this was the original theorem in chapter 3, table number 3.1, equation number is there 33C, figure number is 3.1. Okay, and in the preface it has come as, see, table number, I make it little bigger, yeah. So table number 3.1 correct, equation number 33C, that is also correct, and figure number 3.1, that is also correct, and everything has come nicely, including the equation numbers and all in the preface. Okay, and now if you do any kind of modification here, so let me just here I write something modified, I write modified, modified, and here I recompile it again, preface. Okay, recompile it. Okay, right at the end. So you see this modified word has come up. I did not make any change in the preface, it has come automatically. So this is the advantage here, that if you do any modification even in the body of the theorem, or you introduce any blank theorem here, or for example this blank theorem was there, so let me remove it now, so the number is going to be reduced, so it will become 335. Compile it. Wait a minute. $100 probably. Where is it? No. I've lost it. So yeah, 335. So it has become 335, and in the preface also now it is 336, but if I recompile it, then where is the preface? Yeah, right at the end, preface. So it has become 335 once again. Okay. Now we have to take care of few things. What is it? One is that okay, before that, say this page number is 126, and this is Roman, it has come, but it has not come automatically, because in the preface try file, actually right at the bottom some extra line is there here. So this I wrote it earlier, I did not tell you at that time. So this is new page, this page still empty, so last page is empty, and then again this is Arabic, no, not because of this. Here in the preface I have written Roman, so here it is Roman, and after Roman it will get again converted to Arabic. This, what is the utility of this? Because after preface here there is a blank page without page number. Okay, so there is a blank page without page number, so this page style is empty. If I remove this, then Arabic page number will be printed. But I, in my content, there is nothing. See acknowledgement, yeah, content, there is no mention of preface or anything. So that I will have to make some amendment. So I go to this main try file, where I have written my preface try right at the end. So here I will uncomment this one, Okay. So this another set of commands I have written here. So what is it? This is going to bring my preface inside content. What is there in this file? This if hyphen preface hyphen exists. This is also a text file. This is the one. Yeah. Here this page tail is empty. Mbox. Then this word preface will be added to the contents line, and here I am making use of another package which is already there in the preamble, ref count package. So this page number will be adjusted suitably. So now if I compile everything and see the result, yeah, so so here name of the university, acknowledgement is there. Preface will not come here. There will be a blank page here which you can discard, but inside the contents the word preface has come with page number Roman 1, and preface is right at the end here, and with that advantage of preserving everything, and this is Roman. So if you want to make a hard copy of this PDF file, then you can discard these blank pages, and this preface you can at the time of binding put it just before the contents. Okay, just before the contents. So during binding you can discard this blank page. In place of this blank page you can put the preface, or if you have a PDF writer, manually you can bring that preface here. So advantage of this method is that writing of restating a theorem in the preface is very easy. Theorem or proposition or corollary is very easy. Only thing is that it will come right at the end, which you have to manually at the time of binding bring it before the contents, or using PDF writer you can cut preface from here and put it just before contents. But and the other two methods which I have shown, preface will be right at the beginning, all right, but then you have to do everything manually, and lots of copy paste, cutting, pasting will be there. But here one simple command is good enough. Where is it? Preface try. Yeah, one command is this THMCHRT is taking care of the entire theorem here. So here one change. So my preamble is already written nicely to take care of theorem, proposition, corollary, everything. So if it is proposition, just write begin proposition. If it is corollary, just begin corollary, and so on. But this leveling, etc., and this key should be unique. For every theorem you have to put a different key for different theorem. Okay, so you make it suitably unique. Make it unique suitably. And let me go to the preamble. I tell you, actually this package, this is the package I am talking about. One is that ref count, where what I said in the if preface exists text file is there. There I have used this package, and this theorem tools. Where is theorem? Yeah, this package. The disadvantage of theorem tools is that it cannot restate a theorem backwards. That means from the chapter it cannot copy it in the restate in the preface if preface is written before that chapter. But I have written preface after the chapter, at the end of the thesis, so theorem tool works here. But otherwise it fails. And another thing is that normally theorem tools actually take care of preserving only equation number, but my table and figure numbers are also preserved. For that I have to use this particular command in the preamble, which I have already written. So hope this will help you. If you have any question, please write me in the comment box. Write to me in the comment box. I will answer. Thank you for watching.